Hello everyone, today I want to talk about my daily routine. I wake up at 8 o'clock, then I wash my face and hand, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast and I wear a school uniform and ready to school. I go to school at 8:30 o'clock, I learn and read books and my school break time is 12 o'clock and I back to my school off timing is 1 o'clock. I back to home and to change my school uniform and then I am playing with my friends and after 8 o'clock I eat dinner and then after 9 o'clock I sleep. I help my family. Thank you for listening.